Hey guys, welcome to 11th tutorial in Java programming series. And today we are going to learn about logical operators. So yeah, one thing I want to tell that finally I've worked upon my mic and now we should get better quality audio. So let's go with our tutorial for the. So in the previous tutorial we have learned how to make a if-else statement and how to check for a condition. And in this video we are going to learn how to check multiple conditions within the same if-else statement. And for that we are going to first make our main method as usual. And sorry for the disturbance, my neighbors are more than active at this time. So let's do it. So for our main function, let's make public static void main and string args and the body for our main, and let's make a dating side here. Yeah, it will be good. So let's make two integers, boy and girl, and let's give boy the value of 18, a young boy, and the girl be 45. Oh, 35. Okay. And now our basic if-else statement, like if boy is 18, or it should be greater than 18. Yes, greater than equal to 18. Then print system out print, and what to print, you may enter, or else we will say my typing is not good today. And we will say here you are too young. Okay, and let's give our boy first 10 and run our code. So I am getting some errors, which should be okay. Strings, it should be string here. And now let's run it. So what I am getting is you are too young. So as we have discussed in the previous tutorial, that the test is false here, so it will return execute the else block of code here, and hence we are getting you are too young. So what if we want to now test multiple condition, like let's check the age of the girls also. So what we are going to use here is called AND operator here, which is a logical operator, and it is represented by double ampersand, which are above your 7 key. And after this we are going to write our second test, that girl is greater than equal to or less than equal to 30s. Sounds good. And now run our code. So you are too young. Okay, so let me explain here. So what is AND operator means that check if the first condition as well as the second condition is true. So as the age of our girl is here 35, so this condition here is returning false. So as a whole, the return of this whole statement is false, so the Java runs to the else block of code. So in the AND statement, if either of the two conditions or more, you can use as many as conditions you want. You can again put multiple conditions, and if I have some other something greater than equal or like that, so you can use multiple conditions. So if only if all of them are true, then only this block of code will run. And we have one more logical operator in case we want to test if either of one is true. So we will use what is called pipe here. So double pipe, which are above your / key. So now we run our code. I should get false here. Yes, you are too young. So let me change the value a little here. Let's make it 20 and now play. So now you can see the result has changed. You may enter, but the second condition is still false here. So what this OR operator does is it checks for the either of the condition to be true. So if this is true or this is true, then it will return true as a whole. And if both of them are true, then it will again return true. But if both of them are false, as we have seen in the earlier case, then it will return false. And by it means it will not execute this block of code and simply go to this one. So that's it about the OR operator. And let's quickly go through the code again. So what OR basically tells it, check if either this part is true, this condition is true, or this condition is true. And if any of them is true, then run whatever the whatever is written in the block of code here, else go to the second block. And if both of them, only if both of them are false, then it will go to the else. And what the AND operator does is it will check for the opposite. Only if both of them are true, then only run this block of code, else go to this one. So practice it a little bit and it will come in handy. Like, we don't have to write various lines of code to check the similar condition, and we can use multiple conditions in a single line of code. So again, experiment a little with them, and if you have any problems or stuff, you can contact me in comments. I will try to reply you. And so that's all for this video. See you in the next one.